There are 6 people are talking about the natural disaster. Check the following conversation below. Hey my friends, are you okay?
Hi Sheila, I have a news.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
Did you watch the news last night?
Did you mean Merapi volcano eruption?
Yes, my family live 80 kilometers from there.
Oh my god. How about them? Are they alright?
Thanks God, they alright. They were evacuated before the eruption. Now they are living in the shelter with the other victims. Limited food and limited clothes.
I'm so sad to hear that, Phoebe.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
How about their house?
Their house have been covered by volcanic ash.
Oh no, it must be hard for them.
Yeah, it must be hard for them. Did you feel the earthquake?
Yeah, I did. I feel it at around 10 p.m. It was a hook effect. Was it?
Based on BMKG, it was 6-7 SR waves come from Merapi.
Okay. So, what will do you?
I just pray to God for all the victims of the volcano.
The situation will be better.
Yeah, I hope so.
By the way, I have to go because I have a business. I'm sorry for leaving you, my friends.
That's okay. Keep your eyes open.
You too, my friends.
Thanks. I need a moment for myself.
Good luck and don't be sad because everything is gonna be okay. See you.